AI isn't coming, it's already here. Whether you're a student, a content creator, or someone who's trying to figure out their next move, you're fighting something which has changed everything. I'll tell you something powerful that no one would tell you. AI isn't gonna replace you, it's someone who uses AI better than you. In the next few minutes, I'll give you 5 skills which someone like me who's trying to build their life around AI think would give you an edge, would help you thrive in this AI era. Stick till the end because skill 5, even the CEOs of the billion-dollar company think that this is the only edge that humans will have in the future. Skill 1, prompt engineering. Think of AI as a smart intern who would do everything that you would ask it to do. But the catch is you need to ask the right questions at the right depth. Prompt engineering would give you that right questions and the right depth. Let's take an example. You want ChatGPT to make you a weekly workout plan. You would just type in ChatGPT, give me a weekly plan to work out. It's an average prompt. It would give you average results, but give it a specific prompt like you are an expert of personal training, of this weight class, of this body percentage, of this height, who eats in this manner, who works out 3 days in a week, who has a target to lose weight by this date, and ChatGPT would give you the duration of the workout, type of workouts, the diet that you need to follow. These are the specifics that you need to give, that you will learn as a prompt engineer. And this prompt engineering skill would give you an edge over someone who uses ChatGPT with an average prompt. That's the difference. That's a skill. Start practicing this. Use AI as an intern that is talking to you, not just a command bot. Skill 2, data interpretation and decision making. AI could give you world of knowledge right in front of you, a lot of decisions that you can make, and someone who's interpreting the data right and making the right decision wins in this AI era. I learned it when I was trying to understand a topic. AI would give you a lot of information about that single topic, but it's you who makes that right decision to take that right information which is good for you and that you could use it later. You can't just follow what AI says you to. You have to give it the right directions that it has to follow to give you back the information which could help you make the right decision. That's where human intelligence wins. Skill 3, AI powered content making. Content making is ever easy. AI has made content making 10x easier but 100x noisier. Everyone out there wants you to make content, but no one would tell you to use AI properly to make this content. I know some content creators who are using AI to mass produce their content by just sitting there. I use AI to make my scripts, plan my thumbnails, plan my titles, and see whether I'm ranking properly on the SEOs. This is how I use AI. You could use AI to be a better content creator, and this is which would give you edge in this content creating sphere. In AI age, content is leverage. Your ideas plus AI is global views, and that's power. Skill 4, multidisciplinary learnings. You know what's scarier? You just being specialist is not enough. AI is getting better than you. So what you need to do to be better than AI? You need to learn multiple knowledge spheres. You need to see world in multiple lenses. Smart people that I know who are specialists in their domain are doing this. AI plus economics, AI plus psychology, AI plus law. When I was deep dived in my preparation, I learned a lot of things. I learned polity, I learned economics, I learned international relations. I'm using all of this knowledge with AI combined to sit in front of you to deliver this content. If I am able to do this, you could do this too. The more lenses that you see through, the harder it will be to replace you. So learn multiple disciplines. Skill 5, emotional intelligence and communication. This is your mode. AI might code, AI might create images, AI might plan your week, AI might do everything, but it doesn't have emotions, it cannot inspire, it cannot motivate. And if you're someone who's emotionally intelligent and could communicate and lead, you are not replaceable. AI can give you a lot of information, but it cannot lead a team. If you can understand people, you're still not replaceable. AI hasn't been there yet. That's why emotional intelligence, knowing yourself, knowing the pain of others, helping others, trying to lead a team is a skill that would help you in this AI era. And if you combine all of this with good communication, that's leadership, that's career growth, that's connections. Even Satya Nadella says, empathy is the number one skill he is looking for. So you know now, these 5 skills aren't for chasing AI, but riding this AI wave. Which one of the skills would you try to learn this month? Drop that down in the comment section. And if you really want to future-proof your career, I've took this a notch up. I made a video about 5 tools which you need to use to find a dream job. I'll put it right here, go check it out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to click that subscribe button and hit that like button.